At Siemens Switchgear Ltd., Shanghai, sustainability isn't just a slogan. It's concrete action. Let's go through SSLS Green Code of Sustainability. Explore how we achieve sustainability. At SSLS, we built a rooftop distributed photovoltaic power generation. Provides nearly 1.2 gigawatt-hour of electricity for production annually. At the same time, solar lighting is used in the plant. Charging panels are installed to charge during the day and provide lighting for the middle and night shifts. Moreover, in order to monitor and adjust in real time to improve energy efficiency, we deployed DSOP and Smart Carbon Management Platform, significantly enhanced energy efficiency. At SSLS, we use high efficiency and precise LED lights. Precise lighting can automatically adjust its brightness based on human activities. The heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system called Station is comprehensive, upgraded, and renovated. With high-efficiency frequency conversion control and centralized control, energy efficiency increased by 60%. From robust eco-design to intelligent manufacture and green package, sustainability is embedded in each phase of product. We are doing our best to improve resource efficiency. Even our staff canteen is sustainable. Here, induction cookers are used instead of traditional gas stoves, eliminated the CO2 emission from natural gas. The intelligent food ingredient system reduced kitchen waste by 30%. We committed to working hand in hand with partners to jointly build a green ecosystem, enhance the capacity and resilience of our colleagues, develop innovative green technologies, and shape a sustainable future together. Biodiversity is also one of the issues that Siemens pays close attention to and actively practices. SSLS created a vibrant ecological habitat within the site. The thick bamboo forests, blooming flowers, and peaceful ponds provide a good living environment for animals and plants. Colleagues take good care of the cats and birds in the forest, build pergolas on the lawn with recycled materials. These seemingly minute yet warm-hearted actions together build an amazing ecosystem in the park. Regarding sustainability, we are acting, improving, and be recognized. National Level Green Factory, National Green Supply Chain, Smart Factory, Zero Carbon Factory, and Zero Landfill Factory. Together with our customers and partners, we drive the sustainability transformation. Let's act together for scaling sustainability impact.